But I think looking at the market now and looking at the customer UX as one example, some of the vendors out there, they have done the customer UX perfectly. Many of the operators are not there yet, and I understand why. There's a bigger operation, there's more hoops to jump through, there's a lot more testing and sign off, etc. But looking at some of the vendors, they've really perfected that user journey, and that is something that I think we can all look at and take some value from.
Yes.
How to best onboard customers to your network. And this opens up, like eSIM opens up completely new revenue streams as well, and different partnerships that can be made. Because in the telecommunication industry, it's all about finding the right stakeholders and perfect these ecosystem in which partnerships really thrives and grows. So if we take off travel industry, for example, who now starting to finally, thank God, start to pick up again, you know, you can start including stakeholders that was not really an option before because of the distribution of the products, etc. Now they can become service providers or telecommunication providers themselves by including eSIM. So they can keep their customers, their travelers, their policyholders, etc., connected in a way that they couldn't do before. So I see there's going to be a lot of take-ups there as well.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's just massive. The concept of having to put, I mean, even just packaging in the travel space, if you tried to gain passengers in a physical travel environment by, I mean, some people did silly things, not silly things, but the only things that they saw that they could do, which is putting a SIM in every physical package, you know, and that's a very expensive. If you only get 1 in 10 take up, your SIMs cost 10 times as much. If you only get 1 in 100 take up, your SIMs cost 100 times as much. You can put as many vouchers as you like. And on top of it, to make it simpler, I mean, we've even had customers who are putting the code to scan underneath. So you scan your SIM and then you scan to set up your data settings, and you're off. You don't have to wait.